Listen to this.
Today, we're talking about AI text-to-speech tools. Our guest is Irfan, who uses this daily. Welcome.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to talk about this.
I generated this engaging multi-character voiceover in minutes using Google AI Studio. It works directly in your browser, requires zero technical skills, and lets you create everything from simple single-speaker voiceovers to podcast-style conversations. And the best part, this is completely free. No credits, no watermarks, no subscriptions. So in this video, I'll walk you through exactly how it works so that you can generate professional voiceovers without paying for expensive tools. You'll find links to all the resources used here in the description below. First things first, head over to Google AI Studio and sign in using your Google account. Since we're converting text into voice, just look for the card that says Turn Text into Audio with Gemini and click on it to open the text-to-speech playground. Before generating anything, we need to decide how the voice should behave using the mode section on the right side. If you're creating audio for explainer videos or presentations, single-speaker audio is the perfect choice. Multi-speaker audio is best for podcast-style conversations. After that, you'll see the model's Gemini 2.5 Pro or Gemini 2.5 Flash preview. Both work well, but Flash tends to be a bit faster. If you scroll down into model settings, you'll find the temperature slider. Think of temperature as emotional control. Lower values give you a calm, neutral delivery. Higher values add more expression, energy, and emotion to the voice. Alright, let's start with the single speaker mode. I'm pasting some text for a short narration. Now comes the fun part. Voice selection. Google gives you a surprisingly wide range of voices, each with its own personality. You'll see names like Puck, Zephyr, Charon, Core, and more. For this example, I'm going to use Zephyr because it has a brighter, more energetic tone. You can just click the Run button to preview the voice. And honestly, that already sounds pretty natural.
Intelligence is changing the way we work and create. From writing and design to video automation, AI tools are helping people save time and do more with less effort. And this is just the beginning.
But this is where Google AI Studio really starts to stand out. Instead of switching between different voices, you can actually control how the same voice sounds using something called style instructions. This is where you tell the AI how to speak, not just what to say. So for example, you can say things like, read this in a cheerful, upbeat tone, sound professional but approachable, or speak slowly and clearly. Let me add a real instruction here. I'll type, read this in an energetic, enthusiastic tone. Add emphasis on key phrases, speak with confidence, and keep a steady pace. Now we've got our text, our voice, and our style instructions set. Let's generate the audio. You'll see a small loading indicator while the AI processes everything. This usually takes a few seconds, maybe up to 10 or 15 seconds for longer scripts. And there it is.
Artificial intelligence is changing the way we work and create. From writing and design to video automation, AI tools are helping people save time and do more with less effort. And this is just the beginning.
The pacing feels human. The tone matches the instructions. It doesn't sound robotic at all. Now let me show you something that really separates Google AI Studio from a lot of other text-to-speech tools. You can control not just the voice, but the emotion behind it. I'll paste in a movie trailer-style script. This time, in the style instructions, I'll write, sound dramatic and cinematic. Add anticipation and suspense. Speak with measured, deliberate pacing. Pause before important revelations. I'll switch the voice to Puck and generate again. Listen to that.
In a world where artificial intelligence is advancing faster than we can imagine, one tool stands above the rest.
The AI actually slows down at the right moments. It adds natural pauses.
One tool stands above the rest. Google AI Studio.
The suspense feels intentional. Now let's talk about the most powerful feature here. Multi-speaker mode. Toggle on multi-speaker audio. you'll notice the interface changes slightly. At the top, you get style instructions for the entire conversation, and right below that, there's a script builder where each speaker has their own lines. Let's quickly create a simple podcast-style conversation. Speaker 1 will be the interviewer, and Speaker 2 will be the guest. I've typed out a quick sample conversation on screen so you can see how this works. Now you can assign different voices to each speaker, add overall style instructions, and generate the entire conversation in one go.
Today, we're talking about AI text-to-speech tools. Our guest is Irfan, who uses this daily. Welcome.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited to talk about this.
So, what changed for you when you started using AI voices?
This is wild. You get two clearly distinct speakers. The pacing feels conversational. It sounds like a real interview, not an AI reading lines. Overall, after testing Google AI Studio's text-to-speech feature for a few weeks, I feel it's genuinely impressive as a free tool. While it doesn't offer hundreds of voices or advanced voice cloning like ElevenLabs, the quality, emotional control, and ease of use make it perfect for getting professional results for beginners. So try out Google AI Studio Text-to-Speech using the link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, check out this video next.